Okay, we need a cotton candy. A watermelon. Two red, white, and blue bomb pops. Oh.
Dawn, I thought she wanted to go over there.
She said how old?
Oh.
Is that it? 4?
Can we see him do it? Maybe. Oh, no, wait. How the end? Oh, you can see. No, you could get that, Daddy. Oh.
There you go.
That's a candy. That's a candy.
Does the printer work?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
It's free. Do you want to try it for free? You got the same as Mommy.
The guy's coming to buy some.
Okay.
All right.
Guys, the guy's coming to buy some.
It's all free.
You're kidding.
Well, it's going to go to the
Can't
store.
be
after-
free.
You just have a garage sale.
Oh my God. All
It's
this
free.
what you got left over.
Yeah. It was a fundraiser for all of
Oh, I love
Help,
that.
Dawn?
Oh, look at that.
You want help, Duncan?
You mean y'all didn't sell that thing?
a lot we didn't
Here.
sell.
Huh? Yeah. Puzzles. Puzzles. I love puzzles.
Well, look, you have a whole band full of puzzles.
Hey, I love puzzles. I got some bad news one time, so I went to the store and I bought me a 1,000-piece puzzle.
Oh.
And I got a great big table to put the whole thing on.
There's lots of
I sat there day after day till I put it all together. And I thought, when I get over this, I'll be over the other. Hey, I want that light.
Okay.
I don't know if I've got room for it. And them puzzles. Oh, I'd like to have them puzzles. Whoa, look at that one.
We'll save them for you. You can come back and get them.
Oh, hey, look at that puzzle.